Every customer asks us the same question. How much is your tin? But before talking about price, let me just show you guys why some films can cost less than 500 ringgit and some films can go upwards to 3,000 to 4,000 ringgit. The problem is not your car. The problem is the ASEAN climate. Malaysia experiences some of the highest UV exposure, solar heat and humidity in the world. We live under sunlight 365 days a year, and most window film standards were developed outside ASEAN. That's why many tin films perform well on paper, but struggles under real ASEAN conditions. Every day, your car is exposed to UV rays, HEV blue light, and infrared heat. Many tin brands advertise UVR 99%. Sounds impressive, but most UVR 99% films only block up to 380 nanometers. The sun does not stop at UV 380 nanometers. Long UVA ranging from 380 to 400 nanometers and HEV blue light ranging from 380 to 420 nanometers can still reach your skin and eyes. These wavelengths contribute to pigmentation, premature aging, eye fatigue, and interior fading. IrisPro UV Plus 420 technology extends protection beyond conventional UVR 99%. This enables IrisPro to provide up to a 10 years performance warranty, not only on bubbling and peeling, but the ultraviolet and heat rejection performance. Here's something most customers don't know. IRR 99% does not automatically means a cooler cabin. In fact, two films can both claim IRR 99%, yet one car still feels hot, while another feels noticeably cooler. Why? Because most IRR tests measures only a single wavelength, usually 950 nanometers or 1400 nanometers. But solar heat exists across a much wider infrared spectrum. A film can show IRR 99% on a meter, yet still allows significant heat to build up in the glass and cabin. Comfort is not just about blocking heat, it is about how the film manages the heat. What really matters is the materials used, manufacturing process, layer counts, durability, and heat management. Conventional films mix material into adhesive, and over time, performance may deteriorate under the ASEAN heat. IrisPro uses a patented 6+1 hot melt technology, which consists of two anti-aging layers at both ends of the film, enhancing durability and performance control. Any degradation more than 10% will entitle you for a 1-to-1 warranty exchange. Here at IrisPro, we have three main heat rejection materials. Starting off, we have the nanocarbon ceramic material, which is a more heat-absorbent material. Secondly, we have the multi-layer titanium sputter, which is giving good heat reflection and also good heat release. And for the maximum heat rejection, we have our multi-layer silver sputter, which is the most superb heat reflectant and heat release material. IrisPro is developed for the ASEAN climate, featuring patented UV Plus 420 technology, Serum certified, SGS REACH and Roche tested, and a low TVOC safety test. For less than RM1 a day, you get to enjoy better eye and skin protection, cooler cabins, less fuel and energy consumption, and better long-term vehicle value. Now that you guys know the differences, let us recommend the package that best suits your vehicle and budget.